up, no worries. Please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly.
Good morning. It is actually Sunday today, but I'm gonna go to school today. We're gonna study, we're gonna be watching lectures, we're gonna be going to campus. It's about 9 a.m. We are walking to uni. It's about 5 minutes away, so super close. So I'm not completely sure, but I think today is the final day of freshers. It's the week where every undergraduate and every new postgraduate and PhD student, they all go through a lot of events. Because of this, every school has decorated like their entire campus to make sure the freshers feel welcome. So I think we're gonna see that today too. Told you. Guys, we're on campus again. I'm going to the study floor, which is the 7th floor. It's where I love to sit, especially in the morning. I can watch sunrise. It is super chill. Guys, I'm alone in the study room. There's no one here. Like, no one. I'm alone. Yesterday, actually, I got some new tech for back to school. I got this mouse and this keyboard. So I put in the batteries because I don't know how to turn it off yet, so I just took out the batteries. I don't know if that's a good thing. Links in the description box below if you're interested in these. But yeah, we're gonna test them out today on my iPad. What I also figured out on my iPad yesterday, you guys probably know this already, but I'm a little bit late on these kinds of things. You can actually use your iPad as a second screen, so I'm gonna try to be doing that today, especially for my readings. It's really nice to have your readings in one place and your notes in another, not just split screen on your computer. What is the first thing I have to do today? Readings. I have one reading, I think, maybe 2. I'm gonna check. Just finished reading that little thing, so I'm gonna click that I've done that on my calendar. Wait, now I'm gonna have a little bit of a break and then I'm gonna watch the lecture for the module that I just read for, basically, because I do readings in preparation of the lecture. I don't know, it just works for me. But first, carrots. I feel like this has been in my fridge for too long, but it's fine. I also think I'm gonna meet my friend Carla for lunch today. So I'm wondering if she's here in the building or if she's home sleeping. Let's text her and see. Carla, where are you? Also, for those wondering, my lectures are actually still online, which I don't actually mind at all. I think that's very nice because having the ability to watch lectures whenever I have time instead of like going to a scheduled session and traveling for 30 minutes to go there saves me a lot of time, and it just makes me able to plan out my days in a more efficient way. But I do have all my tutorials in person. We're watching international marketing today because I have a lecture or I have a tutorial about that tomorrow, so I need to watch it. I do actually do my notes by hand in a book. I don't know why. I haven't gotten super comfortable with writing on my iPad yet, so I'm still writing by hand, but these are my notes from the last lecture. Lunchtime. Not alone anymore. Thanks for coming to visit me in my study Sunday. Okay? What? You live here?
This is my library and Maddie's just using it because I like to do charity sometimes for it.
Okay, time is about 5. I'm just sitting outside. Thought a little change of scenery might be a good idea in this vlog. The next thing I'm doing today is I'm going to dinner with some friends. So I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna put on my little mom like scarf thingy that you wear to make sure you don't get cold around your neck, because you know, freshers flu and like post-COVID flu, you know, it sucks. So we're wearing this to stay safe. Okay, let's go home.
Excuse my language, that's a hang up on how shitty I'm feeling. Sorry, I feel overdrawn and now that it's been. 'Cause I was so lost.
Oh my god, is that Anastasia Katona? Very awfully quiet, but I had a lot to do in terms of reading. Now I'm meeting my friend Albert. I haven't seen him since summer actually. We met in Oslo, so I'm really excited to see him again. So let's see if I can find him somewhere around the church, which is like where I am right now. There he is!
Excuse my language, that's a hang up on how shitty I'm feeling. Sorry, I feel overdrawn and now that it's been. 'Cause I was so lost.
Right. Okay, so in about 30 minutes, I think, my flatmate, Louise, as you guys probably know already, she's hosting the Women in Business and Finance Society that she is president of, so kudos to her for that. She's hosting a little meet and greet, and of course I signed up because you have to support your flatmates, and especially you have to support the Women in Business and Finance. So I am joining that, but I really want to just eat like a little bit before I go, so I have some leftover soup. I'm just gonna cook up and just eat quickly because I need like some substance before going out and meeting people for 2.5 hours.
I don't wanna be false.
That is good sunset lighting.
Pretend we're picture perfect when we're breaking beneath the surface.
So I'm feeling a lot better today. Theo's feeling a lot better today, so we're going to uni again. We don't have COVID, we just have like a really sore throat, which is so typical because it's freezing outside.
Yeah.
And we like didn't dress for it, so today I definitely dressed for it. I'm wearing a scarf. Oh, let's cross this little weird thing. Alleyway. Jack the Ripper vibes. Yeah, so we got some tea to cure our throat issues. Throat issues, it sounds funny. And now we're gonna study in uni. Exciting. So me and Theo went to this place called Olostern, which is a Danish, I think, bakery type of thing. And they have what's known as a, what's it called? A bun? Like a raisin bun. And it's a typical like Scandi treat. It tastes very like peculiar to international people, but like it's what we grew up on. And so I'm so happy. Like I haven't eaten this in probably 3 months, maybe even more. I'm so happy. Yeah.
It's really good.
I've been in the library for like 10 hours today. I'm really tired, but I wanted to see the full sunset before I left. It is so nice. It's been motivating me for the past hours to study. So yeah, really nice. We've come to, is it day 5 today? I think it's day 5 today. And today I got a little parcel because my room has been filling up with stuff. I've actually moved my Norwegian bedroom to London. My mom came over, she gave me tons of stuff that was in my Norwegian room, my childhood bedroom. And now all that has to be in this bedroom because I don't have enough storage. I literally just have a desk and 2 neck tables and a closet. I needed something to store everything in, so I got this
big shelf that I'm gonna build in my next video. Stay tuned for that. And also, I don't have time to build this today. I'm just gonna put it in my room. Today we're going to a new library. We're going to like the main library, I think, of my university. I'm excited to get a change of scenery, not gonna lie. Got my green tea. Before studying, I'm gonna meet Louise and Carla for a little lunch in the basement of the library. It looks like we're eating in a church, you know?
Guys,
Pray.
a bit of respect.
I found this gem of a spotty spot in the tower of our library. We just took the elevator all the way up to the top of the building and I found this. Okay, so I'm gonna do my work today from here. I'm gonna try to be quiet. I can hear everything. I've been here for the past like 4 hours and I thought I was done. I was doing the last things and I realized there is a whole other page of readings that we are required to do for the first week of uni. And so this one module requires us to do 6 different readings. Tutorials are graded basically, so part of my grade in this module is based on tutorials and I have to read all this for tutorials, and tutorials are hard and I don't want to do it. Luckily, the readings from my other modules isn't this heavy. You just hate the feeling when you think you're done. You think you're close to done, you're so excited to go home, and then you realize you have maybe 4 more hours of work to do. It's horrible. Okay, let's pull through, guys. Done everything I needed to do for this study week. I am so happy, so excited to go home and nap for an hour before dinner. Oh, it's a rough first week of school.
It actually looks good, guys.
It looks so good. You're such a waiter.